In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the contact page in Shopify, step by step. Whether you're just getting started with Shopify or looking to make your store more personal, customizing your contact page is a great way to improve customer interaction. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access the site editor within your Shopify admin panel. To do this, simply log into your Shopify store, and from the admin dashboard, click on Online Store and then select Themes. Once you're in the Theme section, look for the Customize button, which will take you to the site editor. Once you're there, take a look at the top of the screen, where you'll find the current page title displayed. This is a handy feature in Shopify as it acts as the gateway to all the different pages available on your site. By clicking on this title, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a list of all your site's pages. This is designed to make navigation both simple and efficient. Your next step is to locate and select your contact page from this list. Don't worry if you're not familiar with this step. Shopify's interface is intuitive, and this drop-down menu is a key part of its user-friendly design. Simply scroll through the list, find your contact page, and go ahead and click on it. This action will load the contact page in the editor, setting you up perfectly to start customizing. Now, let's address a common hiccup that some users encounter. What if you can't find your contact page in the drop-down list? Don't panic. This simply means you may need to create a contact page first. The good news is that Shopify makes this process super simple. Shopify provides various templates and user guides to help you set up a contact page seamlessly. Typically, setting up a contact page involves just a few clicks. You'll be prompted to add a contact form, and once that's done, your contact page will be ready to go. Once you've completed this initial setup, return to the drop-down menu in the site editor, and your newly created contact page should now appear, ready for customization. As you begin customizing your contact page, one of the first things to think about is the information you want to capture from your visitors. Shopify allows you to adjust the fields and layout of the contact form to meet your specific needs. For example, you can keep it simple with just a name and email field, or if you want more details, you can add fields for things like phone numbers, order numbers, or a message box. This flexibility helps you tailor the form to capture the most relevant information for your business. Additionally, don't forget about the design aspects of your contact page. Shopify allows you to customize the look and feel of the page to match your brand's aesthetic. You can adjust colors, fonts, and even upload images or logos that align with your store's branding. A well-designed contact page not only enhances your store's overall look, but also provides a more engaging experience for your customers. Remember, the easier and more enjoyable it is for customers to reach you, the more likely they are to interact. For those of you looking to take things up a notch, Shopify also allows for some advanced customizations. You can use custom HTML or liquid code if you want to embed third-party tools like a live chat widget, or even add a map to show your business location. If you have experience with coding, these are powerful options that can enhance your contact page even further. But don't worry, if you're not a developer, there's no need to get intimidated. The default settings are still very powerful and can be customized in a way that suits most needs. Once you've made all your changes, it's always a good idea to test the contact form yourself. Fill out the form and submit it to make sure it's working as expected. You want to ensure that the form is capturing data correctly and that you're receiving the submissions in your email inbox or Shopify notifications. Before you finish, think about any additional elements you want to add to the page. Some people like to add a call to action (CTA), such as a Get in Touch heading, or even a brief message inviting users to ask questions or share feedback. You can also consider including links to your social media profiles, or even adding a FAQ section to preemptively address common customer inquiries. To sum up, customizing your Shopify contact page is a straightforward and rewarding process. By following these steps, you can create a personalized, professional contact page that enhances the customer experience and makes it easy for visitors to get in touch. Whether you're looking to customize the layout, adjust the form fields, or make design tweaks, Shopify provides all the tools you need to make the contact page work for you and your business. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to dive in and make those changes to your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!